Yo, what's up people? How you doing? So today we are starting the vlog with big things because we're gonna work on a RX8 as you can see on the thumbnail, but outside is snowy, icy, really cold, and we have to get this car to the trailer somehow. No. It's gonna be a lot of fun because it doesn't work anymore, you know, it cannot start. So a lot of my friends gonna help me. Let's see. I have to show you now what stative I use for the camera because it's funny as hell. Alright, so we're not gonna talk anymore. Let's go to the garage and let's try to prepare the car for going to the trailer and towing it to my friend where we're gonna rebuild the cage. Finally! Let's go! Phew! This one. Brian. The plan is I'm gonna clean a bit, take the stretch foil and stretch the whole electricity, and we're gonna wait for friends and load it up. And also I have to remove the snow from the driveway because I wouldn't load it up. So let's go. Woo! Yo, what's up fam? Marek from Future here. Sorry for interrupting this video, but I just wanna quickly say huge thanks to my friend Scully who made this beat in this previous edit which you just heard, and I'm super grateful for that because, you know, for you maybe doesn't even recognize that, but for me, searching for non-copyright music is just pain in the ass. So huge thanks to Scully. Thank you again, and let's get back to loading to the car, to trailer. Let's go! Phew. Cześć. Sorry za spóźnienie.
Ty żyjesz jeszcze?
Alright, car is there, we made it, and for today we're gonna call the day and see you guys tomorrow early morning where we're gonna start with the work on our RX8. And thanks to Milan that he delivered this car there. Alright, let's go. Good night boys. Good morning people, what is up? So, as you can probably tell from my face, it's early morning and I'm super tired, but today we have to go to work and make the cage of the RX8 actually proper. So now we are heading to the place where we dropped the Mazda yesterday, and let's start with the work. So we started with the work already, and my camera battery died when I started, so I had to charge it up. So we did some progress, let me show you. Buja is doing morning yoga. A bit of stretching, right? But we cut this piece already out, this one, which is not really good, so we need to make this one new, and we're gonna prepare the cage for this reinforcements, and I honestly can't wait to put this on, which is for the A-pillar. I really love the look of the cage with that. So yeah, let's proceed. I'm gonna have to grind up some piece of the cage and I will say you something later. So we got the first reinforcements done, and now we are bending the tubes and making the new X-pipe for the driver doors, so let's check it out. So there are new 2 reinforcements and this A-pillar. It looks so dope.
Jak to na tě všechno vedle. Nemůžu říct, že jsem to nečekal.
A tak ty máš také profitu na livatku.
No, nejmenší vole otvor na světě.
That's what she said.
Little joke for Czech fans. Who knows? Knows. Klasicky Zdenda. Somebody do that. So we are done for today because we are running out of the gas for a welding machine, but as you can see we did big progress with the car, and let's hope that tomorrow we're gonna finish it up. So for today, let's wrap it up and see you guys tomorrow. What is up guys, welcome at the last day of this vlog, which is Sunday, and today I officially woke up and I feel like a shit. Something is getting on me, probably some sickness, and also yesterday I probably got some metal piece went to my eye, and I don't know if you can see on camera, but this eye is kind of fucked up. But that's what we do for motorsport, right? So let's go for garage and let's finish up the Rx8 cage so we can deliver it back to my garage and we'll be happy. Alright, let's go! Phew. So we are already working on a car, and now I can finally show you progress which we did yesterday. So you saw the reinforcements, right? But there we finished this first left cross of driver and it looks dope. It looks much more professional, it's much more solid, and yeah, compared to that, huge difference. And also we reinforced the weld which was already on a cage, because you know, you saw how the cage looks like, so I didn't believe that the welds are actually good. Even then they were really strong when I grind them down. Yeah, but still, you know, I really want to make this cage proper, because I would explain it to you, like drifting for me is kinda safe way how to have adrenaline, because my stunt riding is kind of sketchy. I have a lot of broken bones since I'm doing that, and drifting should be really safe, so when the car is proper it should work. We really wanted to make the professional cage, roll cage in there, but as we are running out of the time, because we have just today to finish this, and Josef gonna come with tow car at 18, so we have, yeah, like 7 hours left. We have to really go to the work, and let's make the cage to Pro 2 category, which I will actually compete this year. If I will decide to go to Pro category, I will just build another Rx8, another chassis, make full roll cage for Pro with NASCAR frame and everything, and yeah, this is just for this year. So, but it's really solid, I'm really happy about it. I was kind of upset, you know, when you're in a garage, you still work and you don't see results, but this is the result. You see the progress immediately, so super hyped. We just started to work on the other X-pipe, and meanwhile I'm doing seat console brackets because there is one missing on each side, so let's do that. Just like that, it's done. 2 full days, and it was hardcore. I'm tired as fuck, Ludia is also tired. Josef came, because he have to be in every video. And he gonna tow the car back to my garage, so let's clean up and let's load up the fully caged car. So, Mazda is back home at the garage. I'm super happy with this weekend. As you can see, I'm really tired. My eye is still hurting. I don't know if you can tell, but it hurts. But anyway, super happy. Thanks to Ludiek for this amazing job which he did on the car. And thanks to all my friends which helped me to push the car out, push the car back in, with towing the car and everything. I'm super grateful that I have so amazing people around me. Alright. See you guys in the next one, where we actually gonna work on an RX-8 again. But what we're gonna do, you will find out soon. Bye.